Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Tanya, and as you have already read the title, I'll be sharing with you the 3 DIYs for the face mask that I do at home, and these are probably the simplest of the face masks, and these really show tremendous changes in your life, in your face basically. So you just have to keep them using on a regular basis to see the changes and feel the difference. And yeah, without further blabbering, let's just get into the video. Also, one more thing, I'll be sharing other two to three products, the face mask basically. So these are the market produced face masks, not the home remedies. And this is not a sponsored video, so this is just what I feel about these products. So if you want to buy any of the products, I'll be putting the link in the description box. You can go check it out and yeah, buy them for yourself. So yeah, without further blabbering, let's just get into the video. So let's start with the first face mask. So all you'll be needing a bowl to mix the ingredients. Then the first ingredient and the main ingredient is besan. So this is besan, and also I have added turmeric to it. So what turmeric will do is it is antiseptic, and so it will help you reduce the inflammation and the redness or the acne from your face. So along with this, I'll be adding some curd, only a few drops, just see according to yourself the texture of it and the consistency of the product. So I'm mixing it. So the curd is rich in vitamin C and it helps you to brighten your skin up. Along with the turmeric, it does wonders. So when the besan dries, you can scrub it off from your face and it will help you remove the facial hair. And this mask is something that you can also use as upton on your body. While you go in the shower, just apply it for 10-15 minutes, let it dry, and then just rub it off. Along with it, you will see that the skin will kind of scrub off. So it's a good scrub too, along with a face mask. And yeah, I really love this. This is the oldest recipes that all our parents know, and all our parents have already told us to do so, but we haven't already done. But yeah, this is really amazing and I would definitely recommend you to try this. So it will scrub your face along with brightening it up and making it smooth. So the second face pack consists of only two products that you'll be needing. So one is coffee and the another is lemon. So all you need is to tear your coffee, packet of your coffee out. It's too hard. Okay, yeah. And then again take a bowl, add whole of the coffee in it, and now we'll add some lemon juice basically. So again, see according to the consistency and add the lemon. So I'll be adding this much only, and then let's just mix it and see how it turns out. So the coffee really smells amazing, first thing first, and as it helps you remove the tiredness from your body when you drink it. Similarly, it removes the tiredness from your face. So if you have had a hectic day, you can just come home and use this face pack, just two products you need, and then you're good to go. So coffee also exfoliates your skin along with it, so it also helps you reduce the acne, and basically it clears the pores and all. So every face pack is made to clear the pores and all, and that is why this is so great. You need just few simple products that we all find in our home. So yeah, that's it. I have made the hair of the consistency, so I'll be adding more coffee to it and one more pack basically, and then I'm good to go. So yeah, this is the face pack that will help you rejuvenate your skin and make you feel refreshed all day long. And yeah, also along with lemon, which is high in vitamin C, it helps you brighten your skin as well. So you have to use these products on a very regular basis, and then you will definitely see differences. Let's get on to the third face mask. So coming to the third face pack, so all you need is multani mitti and some tomato juice. If you don't have tomato juice, or you don't like the smell of it, or you don't like anything about it, you can just skip it and add lemon or cucumber juice or anything you like. So yeah, I'll be taking 1 spoon of multani mitti. So I have taken 1 spoon of multani mitti here, and now I'll be adding some tomato juice. So you can directly add it from the tomato, or you can just mix it in the blender and then add it. So what you can do with the leftover is you can just rub it on your face or on your hands, anywhere you want it. So the tomato juice again helps you to brighten your skin, and the multani mitti refreshes your face, and it has been used since the ancient times, since the longest time we have been on earth, I guess. So yeah, these two ingredients also do wonders for your skin. So all these 3 packs will help you refresh your face, reduce the acne and reduce the dead skin that is on your face. All of them will help you to scrub your face as well. So all of these 3 packs helps you to rejuvenate your face, help it feel refreshed, and reduce the inflammation, reduce the redness and the acne. It also removes the dirt deep down from your pores, and yeah, makes you look brighter. So if you do try any of these 3 packs, just do let me know in the comments below. It would mean a lot, and it will make me know that you guys are liking my content and it is helping you in some or the other way. So yeah. Now without further blabbering, let's just get to the BarkitBot product. So the first face pack that I have been using since a long time, and I'm dying to buy another bottle of this, is the one from Prolixer. Their Perfect Skin Detoxifying C Algae Mask. So this is the one that I have been using since a long time, and I have finished this. I am over with this. This is just the leftovers which I can't use at all. I tried using it but it didn't work. So yeah, the bottle is empty and I'm really dying to get another one of it. And also it smells so freaking amazing. It is so nice. It makes my skin feel so fresh and smooth as soon as I remove it. So what they have stated on the bottle is nothing on this as such. Yeah, it just shows the directions, and then this is a bit on the expensive side, but every penny is worth it. I would definitely recommend you to go and buy this. The bottle is really heavy. I like the packing also. So yeah, just definitely go and check this one out. You will not regret buying it at all. So let's move on to another face mask. So the next face mask that I have been using since a long time is from this Beauty Leaf Naturals. This is their French green clay mask. So it is rich in vitamin E, and it is also made with green tea extract. So it is also sulfate and paraben free, which is really great for your skin. So let's see what this one states. Yeah, it says something. So it is saying Beauty Elf French green clay stimulates the skin by bringing fresh blood to damaged skin cells, that is a yay, and revitalizing the complexion and tightening pores. So it also helps you tightening the pores, reducing the pores, that is a very good thing. Absorbs and removes impurities from the skin, that is what a face mask should do, and revealing the fresh surface of the skin to provide a healthy looking glow. So yeah, it definitely does that. I really like this one. This is on the second top most thing. This also comes in a glass bottle, and I like the packaging of this one also. So yeah, I have emptied this much because I started using it after I finished my Prolixer one. I was obsessed with it, and this one also smells amazing. If you're not a big fan of the fragrances in these things, then I might say you won't like both of them just on the fragrance part, but these two does wonders. I like the Prolixer the best. That is the best, and I would never regret buying it again and again. So yeah, the third one is charcoal face pack, and I have finished this one. Everybody is obsessed with charcoal face pack as it helps you remove the blackheads and whiteheads. So this one also does the same, and this is from the company Positive. This is their 3-in-1 charcoal deep clean face mask peel off basically. So what this one states is that it removes blackheads and whiteheads. That is what a charcoal face mask do. Then it eliminates dead skin cells, sebum, dirt and tan. Very good thing. Then and the third thing is that it brightens skin. So yeah, it does that. Charcoal actually takes out all the dirt, and it helps you to make you look more brighter and fresh. So yeah, this is the one. So I have finished this one also, so I'll just show you the consistency if I'll be able to squeeze out any of the product. Yeah, just a little bit. So this is the kind of consistency. Because it is finished, it has become a bit sticky. It is not at all exactly like this, because I've been using it since a long time and it's finished. It is on the verge of its dying days. So yeah, that is why it has become just a bit sticky. Otherwise, it is also great. It does wonders. I will mention all the prices in the video itself, somewhere in the video, so that you guys can see for yourself and choose whichever you want. So yeah, I don't think so this one was that expensive. But yeah, I will definitely put the links and everything in the description below and also on the video. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys like the DIY mask that I've made, and also the 3 masks aside from that I've showed. So yeah, that's it. That's where we finish our video. And do subscribe, do like this video, and do share it with your friends. It would mean a lot. And yeah, they can also get help from any of the face pack or the face mask that I've shown. So yeah, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you for watching.